Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to take a screenshot of an entire web page in Google Chrome. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser, and you want to select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser. And in this version of Google Chrome, it's a 3 vertical dotted icon. So you want to go ahead and just left click on that one time, and then you want to go down and select the More Tools option in this context menu once it loads. And then underneath More Tools you want to select Developer Tools. So go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to click on this little icon that appears like a little phone and a tablet. So if you hover over near the top of the thing here, this is Toggle Device Toolbar. I want to go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to select the 3 dotted icon right here, just left one at one time. And now you want to go select where it says capture full size screenshot. So go ahead and left click on that. So congratulations, you just captured a full size screenshot, and it should give you an option now of where you want to save it to your computer. Just might have to give it a minute to load. And you can see it's a PNG file, and if we click the little up arrow and show in folder, it'll show us the containment folder for it as well. So pretty cool. And we can actually open up the PNG file too. So we do that concurrently. We can see it's in our downloads folder. If you adjusted your Chrome settings to choose where you wanted to download a file to, you would have had a little prompt there asking where you want to save the file. Mine automatically downloads to the download folder. So it's loading the photo right now, so we might as well stick this video out until we actually see the web page that we promised. And it should just be Google's homepage. So pick something pretty simple here for my tutorial, and you can see there you go. So pretty neat little tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.